Hello everyone, Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com here in Lewis Beach, Delaware. Welcome to this week's Genos Tyros Song of the Week and Buttons class. We're doing a great Disney zippity-doo-dah, and I think you're going to enjoy it. Now we're using the same OTS settings that are in there, so there's not going to be any OTS changes there. That's going to be great. Now, when we did our live stream last Saturday, we learned a couple things by chatting with all of you around the world while we did the live stream. And one of the things were very positive on me now recording the Midi file and sending that out for you guys who have the book bundles, because it gives you all of my right hand notes right on the screen on the Genos, because I record as a Midi file, so the chords and all the notes I play are there. Now, why is that big? Because I usually scale down my playing for you guys to make it easy peasy on you, okay? But I'm still going to be sending you out the music with the regular easy notes on there to play. But when I record from now on, I'm going to be recording more like I would play it as more of a professional, and all those notes and everything will be right on the screen for you to be able to see. So that's one thing we learned from our live stream. And speaking of our live stream, we had some problems with moving the camera around. Well, we've got those solved. I actually went out and bought a new special camera that has some extreme technology in it and allows me to zoom in and do things just with my finger. It's going to be great. Just got it from Amazon yesterday, and we're fooling around with it to get it going. So let's take at the music real quick. We'll take a look at the music for Zippity-Doo-Dah.
Is there something I can help you with?
Okay, for you guys that have all three bundles, we're in Bank 11, Registration 2. This is coming out of Book Bundle 2. And you can use intro 2 or 3, doesn't really matter. Variation A, first time, C, second time. You can see the chords and the red notes. Make sure you hold down to get to the next chord. And if you're paying attention to the Midi file there that I'm sending you, of course the notes will be a little more than is on here in the right hand. So let's get a look at the settings real quick for Zippity-Doo-Dah. Now remember, we're using the animation fantasy. Tempo is going to be 105, not 110. I'm going to change that on the music when I email it to you. So tempo is going to be 105. Okay, so here we go. OTS 1, 2, 3, and 4 are going to remain the same. Celesta Glockenspiel Classical Flute. Number 2, Orchestra Woodwind, Keno String Cellos, Seattle Cellos. Number 3, Clarinet and Flutes, Classical Bassoon, Xylophone. Number 4, Symphony Horns, Octave, Trombone, and Keno Strings. Now, I didn't touch the volumes either, so this is going to be real easy to do. I will still be sending you out, though, the user file, so that you have it there with the name Zippity-Doo-Dah in there. So let's take a listen real quick to our finished product. Okay, so I put a lot of little extra notes in there. Okay, so now I'm zoomed in on the screen there, and you can see what the MIDI file is going to do there in your score. Remember, I have that in the assignable buttons on assignable B. So I hope you enjoy it now with the extra notes in there. It's going to make it a lot more fun for me because I can play a little more normal now instead of scaling it down a little bit. And I think you guys are going to learn an awful lot about your right hand. And that all was because of our live stream and chatting with you guys as it was going along. Okay, so keep in mind, you can choose intro 3 or 2 on this one. Both are really good. And also keep in mind that you can use either ending as well. That's why I didn't put an ending on the music. I kind of like 2, although 3 ending is really great for this song as well. Okay, up next week, great song, The Shadow of Your Smile, and that's going out to all 3 bundles, so you're going to really enjoy that. And I hope you enjoy the new MIDI files. We had nothing but positive responses on that, and certainly you're going to be able to see all the extra notes that I do, so that's kind of cool too. So until next time, this is Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com saying have a great day, keep playing, and see you soon.